SSC exam problems has been a topic of contention for students, and now it is being raised by the NSUI. You can see that the protest is ongoing by the Congress's youth wing and NSUI over here on the SSC exams issue, and students are protesting out here. They are saying that the government should respond on the kind of steps that have been taken for the students who were protesting, because it's not been easy for the students who are giving examinations. SSC does a lot of recruitment for the government jobs, and that is the main contention here, where now students are being taken forcefully by the police towards the other buses. And because the students are sitting here, they are forcibly being taken inside the bus, and they are being locked inside the bus. As you can see that the protest has been issued here, the protest has been brought in here. The students are being picked up here and being taken inside the bus. And
देख सकते हैं ये पुलिस वाले कितना गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं। हमारी जो मांगे हैं एग्जाम पेपर में धांधली बंद किया जाए, यूपीएससी एसएससी एग्जाम में जो धांधली हो रहा है उस धांधली को बंद किया जाए, पेपर लीक जो है उसको बंद किया जाए जल्द से जल्द। फेलोशिप में जो कटौती जिंदाबाद, जहाँ पे जब छात्र पहुँचता है, जब छात्र वहाँ एग्जाम देने पहुँचता है तो वाईफाई की सुविधा नहीं होती है। ऐसी जगह पे एसएससी का एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर दिया जाता है जिस जगह पे बच्चे को खुद पहुंचने की सुविधा नहीं होती है, और उस कंपनी को धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी ने पैसे लेकर ठेका दिया, टेंडर दिया है।
So you can see how these protesters are being pulled in by the police out here, and each and every person has been pushed inside a bus. The protest is happening in front of the Education Ministry this morning. And the protest is not being allowed by the police authorities, and that's why all these students are being forcibly put inside the buses. These are the NSUI workers, and the police authority is making sure that the area is cleared off from here. But the issue is same. The issue is on the protest of the students' examinations on fellowships, on scholarships, and lack of admissions for these fellowships and scholarships, especially for the weaker sections of society as well. But all these issues are student issues which the NSUI is now raising against the government and saying that the government needs to respond on the matter and help the students who are not able to make through the exams of the SSC. It's a big problem. The vendors have been changed. There are a lot of allegations that have been made on the mismanagement of these examinations, and this is why right now you see that the NSUI workers have been put in a bus and they have all been taken away from the spot. With Ajay Sinha, Milan Sharma for India Today.